Well, I might as well do a three-part session. You know, my AT is watching. Hopefully, well, unless you come over and watch my show with me. You know, I need to get a new Nintendo Wii plug for my whatchamacallit, so I can charge up my what you call it for my Wii U. You know, one of my brother's friends stole my goddamn Nintendo plug. You know, and then my stupid ass brother was defending him, saying what was somebody want with a Nintendo plug. I bet I knew who it was. You know, hmm. I'm so goddamn glad. I'm so goddamn glad that I go rid of that jerk. Yep. Woo. Well, it's a shame for me to talk like that though. Okay. All that fake crying and stuff like that. Mm. Well, never mind all that though. I don't know why I'm talking like this. You know, Dominoes Seven is the man. You know, I do need to be careful what I'm saying because I don't know who watching this video. I mean, I don't hate on nobody because I don't know who watches Dominoes Seven. You know, a three-part vlog of this. You know, because whatchamacallit probably watching. I don't know. Okay. Anybody else watching? What's up? You know. So I got it made. You hear me? I may not have a car, but at least I live on my own though. You know. Take care of my twin brother and everything. And everything else, you know. And Domino 7 gonna have a brand new house, you know. So look at this house. Y'all think I should decorate this with video game posters? Do y'all think I should? Look at my game right there, the Sega Genesis, and the oh, my AT's watching. Hey, thank you. All right, okay. They go to Sega Genesis, the Super Nintendo, Sega Genesis. Yeah. So anyway, my AT was featured on my show before. You know, that was Mother's Day about 3 years ago, I do believe. You know, 2015, she was featured on my show when I after church and stuff like that, you know. Yes indeed. So she gonna be on my show very soon, okay? All right. Yes indeed. She gave it a big thumbs up. Okay. Well, a three-part, or probably it ain't gonna be no full part, you know. Well. So y'all think I should decorate? No, I ain't gonna decorate this place with no video game posters and stuff like that. But on a serious side, I'll do that when I get to my new house. Okay, I got some video game posters out of this world, out of this world, out of this world, okay, out of this world, like lightning bolt, the super squall, what am I talking about? The super squall or something like that, or something. Oh well, I better stop this damn tape. Oh, wait a minute. Never mind stopping this tape. You know, well, this gonna be in reruns anyway. Okay, depends on how many people watch this or chicanery or whatever. being the only dude that's just jokesters and stuff like that. Sorta. That's it. Bye bye, folks.